Hey friends, welcome back. I am in the beautiful city of Yazd, here in the beautiful country of Iran. And we are continuing this journey from the previous videos, exploring this beautiful city. It is keep impressing me, this country. And oh my God, man, what a journey has been so far. But today's video, what we are gonna do is I'm making my way right now from this Yazd town, city, whatever you wanna call it, all the way to a place called Zoroastrian Fire Temple, something like that, I think. And if you have some place called something with fire temple, then it is worth exploring, right? I mean, after all, it sounds like what's that movie? Indiana Jones, right? Yeah. Let's go and explore. Have a look where I am now. Look at this. This is by all the way, like this is all new to me, by the way. I'm exploring as vlogging, you know. But yeah, check out what I'm seeing now. It's incredible. And that's where I'm going. In a dark tunnel. Rule number one in traveling: never ever go to dark tunnels. I'm serious. Don't. But this is Yazd. What could go wrong, right? Look, this is a barber shop, by the way. This here is a barber shop. We're not gonna go in. I don't need a haircut. I'm not even sure which way to go. Is it this way? There's more sun here. Let's go this way. Wow. Incredible, like. Salam. The smile on people's faces here says it all. Oh my God. By the way, if you checked out the video exploring the old city of Yazd, I have already done it, but I am far away right now. I am far away from where that video was made. I know it looks all similar, but it's not. I'm really far away from there, you know. And I just continue. The whole city is like this apparently. I thought like that was the section where I was, but it's more than that. It's like all this here continuously, you know. And I think there should be some wind catchers here as well, because you can see those walls. All this here, there aren't any windows, so they need some ventilations, right? And by the way, like they are quite open from inside as well. They all have like gardens in the inside. Anyway, let's get out of this area and make our way to the fire temple. Man, I can't stop giggling every time I say fire temple. I feel like I am Indiana Jones. Salam. Oh, this is as raw as it can get. Can't beat that. I was very nervous, like to point the camera at him, but he was so friendly. Anyway, where did we get into? Look at this. This is all like part of the old town. Well, I mean, like it's all old town, right? This is where I came from. It's all brown. What is that? Is that probably a university? Looks like it, you know. It's actually Yazd. I can read the sign from here. It's Yazd Central Library. Wow. This is as raw as it can get, really. Wow, what a building. Very nice. Let's continue walking. I'm actually just on the way. I'm not making any specific direction or anything. This was all by accident, you know. Very beautiful city. I love it. I'm very old, by the way. Extremely old. Right, let's go. Salam. How are you, brother?
Thanks.
I like your beard. It's a good beard, man. What's this place?
This is Fire Temple.
Is there really fire?
Yes.
Oh,
we have
good.
a fire here that is burning about 1,500 years constantly.
Never go out?
Yeah.
How?
There is a guard with the fire. He adds the fuel to the fire and keep it alive.
Awesome. Okay, I'd like to see it.
Okay.
Here's 1 million.
Where do you come from?
I'm Iranian.
I know, okay, but you're not.
You say I'm not, but I am. Mamnoon. Right, we are in the temple. Price per person, unfortunately, we did not work out of getting it a local price, but we at least tried. Pravahar, ring held in the left hand, two extended. Anyway, this is the place. And look, you can see the symbol over there. He has it here as well, and they're explaining each one what it means. You can pause the video and read it. But I will read it for myself, and then we're gonna go and explore and see what's it like. This fire temple. A fire that over 1,500 years hasn't been put out. Interesting. And let's see what this place is about, right? So where do we start? In here? So this looks like a park inside here. Let's go in. Yeah, just a park. Over here. Not much really. A park, and then we have a sign we can probably follow here. And it says Fire Temple. Berjavand, whole gallery is straight ahead. Photo gallery on the left, toilets and drinking water. Okay, so the fire temple, we're leaving this to the last. Like we have learned how to do these things now. So this is a photo gallery down below. Wow, let's go here. All right. Where is that? Shak Shrine, Ardakan. Wow, that's beautiful. That caught my attention. But it's all Shak, look. We're not gonna show you every photo, by the way. But I see a nice doorway. And look at this. Yeah, you give me something like that, I have to check it out. Always. I mean, how could you not? Here is the tank of the citron, open for visiting Salam. Open for visiting tourists. Mind your head, please. What is this? From the valve above Quanit, water enters the tank. The small bricks on the wall from top to down were used as stairs when necessary. So this is pretty much a tank. By the way, it is dark, so there's nothing I can do about it. Hi.
Oh, my God.
They were taking a picture. I photobombed the photo.
Where come from?
I come from Ireland.
Oh, okay.
Where you come from?
Iran.
But where Iran? Sure.
Kerman.
Where?
Kerman.
Chermal. Ah, where is that?
Yazd, Kerman, Bal.
Ah, Kerman.
Yes.
Ah, I go next Kerman. Yeah, isn't Kerman?
Kerman, you are go Kerman?
After Yazd, I go Kerman. Yeah. Is beautiful, Kerman?
Like, yes.
It's nice.
Like, sorry.
So I should go? I should go to Kerman? Visit?
Okay. Isfahan is very beautiful.
I have been to Isfahan,
Alright.
very beautiful.
Yazd, Kerman, Yazd.
Ah, okay, it's similar.
Yes.
Ah, okay.
Shiraz is very good.
Shiraz is very good. I like Shiraz too. Mamnoon. Thank you. Khudafez. Very nice. Very nice people. Right, let's continue the tour. We are going to. I think next is the fire temple. There's not much. Like, there was the gallery, the tank, and that's it. There's not much, like. And we're making our way in. Here we go. Hold on to your seats. We're gonna watch some fire burning. Ah, look, this is the pictures there. Do we enter from left or right? I'm going left anyway. So there is the fire. It's inside. We'll get closer in a second. So there's only two entrances, like the left, if you, well, the right, if you come from here. I came this way. And what does it say here? Dear visitors, this Zoroastrian Fire Temple is a religious place of worship, and at all times our prayer in the interior of the Fire Temple. Your cooperation is requested to maintain peace and silence in the Fire Temple. Your understanding will be appreciated. Right, let's get a closer look into the Fire Temple. Salam. So like, I don't know if you can see it, but if I put it like this, look. So it is on a pot. It's ridiculous, man. It's on a big pot, metal pot, right? With some coal in it. That's pretty much it. Really, like, that's it. I mean, I hope the footage is there for it, but that's pretty much it. See, like, this is what I'm talking about. Like, it is so ridiculous to pay money to go and see something like this. You see a lot of people out there are barbecuing and putting coal on pots and making a fire, and that's that. You know, it's done. that was a joke. This place is not worth it. What a waste of money. Terrible. By the way, this is the tour. Absolutely a freaking joke. A robbery like that was, man, not even worth the time, the money, the journey that arrived here. This was a joke, like, man, oh my God. This has to be by far the worst place I have ever visited in my all of travels. This is the biggest scam. I am so frustrated because it's not just the money, it's like you're charging people also, but also time. We're paying our time to go and visit a place that it's not really worth it. There's like a pot with coal and fire in it. That's it. Like, that's it. There's nothing, and we can't even get close to it. That's it. Oh man. Anyway, I don't know what else to do. That's it. Let me figure out what we're gonna do next. And yeah, let's get coffee. Salam. How are you, brother? Good? You make coffee? Man, I love the style of everything. What a cool dude. Look at the sign here. Nice cafe. Can I have coffee? Espresso?
Espresso.
How much is espresso?
Single or
Single, how much? Toman, how much?
12.
In calculator? This is it?
This is
Yeah, Toman? Okay, give me one, please.
one.
One, yeah. Luckily, I can read that, and that's 12,000 Toman, which is 120,000 Riyal. The temple is not far from here. I just really need to cool off after being scammed with this BS. Fire temple, my ass. Oh, stop. Give this coffee a taste test. Right, the coffee is here. Simple. It is a simple cafe as well, after all. This is, by the way, a local cafe. You can actually see, you know, like kind of like trendy local cafe in between, and you can see them in a lot of places in Iran, not just only in Yazd. And this is it. I love those glasses. Like, look at this shot of glass. Looks like a big beer mug, right? And we got the coffee here. Let's give it a taste test. Wash up. Oh wow, that's not water actually. This it's a rose water he gave me, and oh my god, it tastes so good. It's sweet, fresh. Oh man, I could drink a whole glass out of this. very delicious. And there's the coffee. It's incredible, really. I'm very honest with what I say, like, you know, and I've said it before in a lot of videos in the past here in Iran. For a coffee culture, I'm gonna say it. It is amazing. Like, it is some of the best coffee you can get. Like, it really is better than a lot of coffees in the West, you know. Well, I mean, it does make sense in a way. Anyway, we're gonna finish this. I need to figure out what we're gonna do next, or probably put an end to this video. I don't know what's gonna happen.